So this is going to be our first video of what we're going to call Home is Where You Pop It series. We just bought this pop-up about a month ago. We cleaned it up and we're going to start camping. We're going to try to go at least once a month to different locations. The videos will get better. This is going to be a few clips of our first trip that we took to Pirate Land in Myrtle Beach, South Carolina. And we're going to go over a few things and show you some of the things we did and just kind of take you along on our family vacation. We got set up pretty quick for it to be our first time camping, and then we were off to the beach and a few more activities that were all included while staying in the campground. There you go.
There you go, Madison. There you go, Maddie. There you go, Maddie.
Good job.
The first few days were spent enjoying the amenities of the campground. Then we decided to venture out to see what the area had to offer.
You can lead. Go where you want to go. So we're in Market Commons, Myrtle Beach, renting some Segways. It's a nice park. It's an old Air Force base. Where are you, Maggie?
The Market Commons Segway Tours.
You're so good at talking.
I don't know where we are.
We're at the Market Commons Segway course. This is the Warbird Park right when you first come in. They let you drive the Segways all the way out here to 17. You just can't cross it. But so far everybody's having a good time and doing good. Some pretty cool planes. 18.
The final day we visited Huntington Beach State Park, where we visited the Italia Castle, which was purchased in 1930 by an art sculptor, Archer Huntington, and his wife. Mrs. Huntington's artwork is displayed throughout the castle. It was a great stop for our final day.
So you can get in this place for free if you have the year park pass that Madison got. So I'm gonna go get it from the car. What do you think of this place, Madison?
Where's the camera? What if we lived here? And we were
Ricky lived here.